Hey, I wanted to do a t-shirt shop review. So what I've been doing lately is whenever I see something on Facebook, I get an ad for it, and I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. Let me have a look at that and look at what they're selling, look at the designs, look at the store, look at the ads, look at what they're really doing. This one's called Pure Muskoka, and up here in Canada and Ontario, there's cottage land is like the Muskokas, and it's where all the really, really rich people have cottages. Like they are $1 million cottages. So anyway, this store is smart because Canada Day is coming up. It is on July 1st. In the U.S., it's July 4th, but there's 4th of July, of course. We're like a couple days ahead. Anyway, it says get ready to make a statement this Canada Day with Pure Muskoka Special Edition Canada Day T-shirts. We now have 3 of our annual designs available to choose from. Perfect for family barbecues, parades, or just capturing unforgettable group photos. These vibrant red shirts let you show off your national pride and style. Each design captures the feeling and charm of Muskoka and the value shared on our beautiful country. Do. So there we go. I wanted to click it. Well, let's look in the comments too first. Yeah, stopped in today. We both picked up a couple of items. Nice shop. Oh, so this is not an online store. Love the t-shirts, but 35 bucks. It's always the guy with one of these on that gets arrested in the beer tent. Nice. If you fly one of those flags in Canada, you get your bank account frozen. Oh my god. No, you need a sticker on the back of your pickup truck for that to happen. Where's it made? Ah, these people. The people's typing "Where's it made" on their phone from China just freaking kill me. Anyway, shop now. Let's go to the store. So I guess they have a physical location, but I love the design. Like I think something like that with the flag and like a nice lake background on it would be super cool. Even this one down here with the just the maple leaf in the background, and this one has like the kind of a white thing, so it'll go on a different color shirt, but it's got a highway and it's like overlaid. I love that. That design's super cool. Yeah, Canada Day is a great opportunity. Same with 4th of July. You could, if you're in the U.S., think of all these, but think from a U.S. Point of view instead of Canadian. And then they got all these people wearing them, which is wonderful when you can get reviews. So this store has been around. I'm trying to find their physical location just by scrolling down, but I love that. Like, I don't care if it's 35 bucks. That's a cool design. Like, I love that. That is amazing. Like, nice work. So let's keep going. Do they have... Oh, they have locations. Oh, so they actually do have a location. Very cool. Bala, Ontario. Right on. Alright, let's go back here. Let's go to... scroll up a bit. I want to go to their collection page. Have a look at that. The banner's huge. I would like to look at this on a phone too to see what it looks like. But these are very cool. Let's go to the product page. And they're doing the 4 thing, which is something that I'm noticing a lot of t-shirt shops are doing recently. They're putting like 4, like a grid style in there. This one is actually all the variants in one. But I have seen that quite a bit. I'm honestly not a fan of it myself, but I can see why they're doing it because there are companies like Gymshark that are doing this quite a bit. So they got their size, their style, and then the quantity, and then add to bag. Pickup available at Bracebridge. Please note all orders containing Canada shirts will ship June 15th, possibly earlier. Well, that's good. Buy any 5 and get the 5th shirt free. Whoa, 5? Actually, you know what? Given their images that they were showing of like a family and a bunch of friends and everybody wearing the shirt, that's not a bad idea. If you could get, like, I'll do buy 2, get 1 free. They're doing buy 5, get 1 free. That's amazing. Good for them. And then they got, I love the accordion here too. I think this is something I do on my stores because I really like it. I have them all closed though. Free shipping on orders over $150. Returns and exchanges, contact us, share. Let's scroll down. And then they go right into the reviews, which is very nice. And the Canada Day collection, that's good. And then down here, about, that's good. Recommended products, they got some more, which is very nice. So it is like, this is a very niche down store. And they do have actual physical location too. I don't know which came first, but let's see what else I got. A t-shirt club. And what's this about? I'm not maybe this looks different on a phone, but I'm not a fan of having to scroll through these gigantic images all the time. Just me. Oh, surprise design. Your authentic, custom, limited pure Muskoka shirt will be shipped out on the 25th of each month. Cutoff date for each month is the 10th. If you order between the 10th and 25th, your first shirt will ship on the 25th of the following month. Subscribe now. That's cool. Each shirt's uniquely Muskoka themed. Every month is a surprise. That's cool too. Like, so think about this. If you're in a niche, you could have a, what are they calling this? They're calling this the t-shirt club. So you could have a t-shirt club on your store where people subscribe, and then every month you just fire them out a t-shirt and it automatically charges them. That's like pretty cool. And actually a really good idea. And if you're in a niche, you can do this very easily. Like, think if you're in the horse niche and all you sell is horse shirts, it would be very easy to say each shirt is uniquely horse themed and every month is a surprise. Like, that is a very cool thing. I'm sure they just take down the size. Don't miss the next shirt. Once they're gone, they're gone. How it works: select your membership, your custom shirt's designed, your surprise arrives. You can subscribe monthly. We offer a prepaid 3-month or 6-month. Simply pick the size shirt you want, give us a gift, or subscribe yourself. Each month we design and print a surprise one. Love it. Feels like I get my new favorite shirt each month. Keep it up, you guys. Love it. And that shirt too is like really cool. Like super cool. Using the negative space for the trees like that is a really good idea. Previously retired shirts. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, that front row seating, that's amazing too. I love that. Yeah, this is very cool. T-shirt club. FAQs. How it works. Choose which one you want. Do I get to choose the color? No. What if I hate it? That's a tough one. Can I place a one-time order? No one-times here. Okay. Can I buy a past retired designs? Ooh. See, that's where they get you, right? If you see a design that you really like, you can't get it. So there's some scarcity right there. Right there. So they're even saying part of the specialness of each shirt is that it is limited. You have to be part of the club in order to get one. Occasionally we do a retired shirt sale, selling off some of the extras we make in case the size changes. Okay. What if I choose the wrong size? Will it shrink? When will it arrive? How am I charged? When am I charged? Then you sign up, and then the same day of the month for the following months. If you sign up on the 10th, then your renewal date will skip a month to avoid back-to-back charges. Okay. There you go. Very cool. So let's go back a page. I want to actually see what it's like to subscribe here, because this is something that I think everybody should be doing. Subscribe now. Join us for the final chapter of the T-shirt Club. Our final designs might be our best. Over the past 4 years, our monthly T-shirt Club has brought the essence of Muskoka to your doorstep and shoulders. We've decided to wind down the program. Oh crap. Well, that's a bad sign. That typically means it's not working. So that's why they're doing it. So yeah, you might want to consider that too. I mean, give it a shot, but it's not working. It's not working. So monthly subscription. There we go. Subscription details. Powered by recharge. Okay. So let's have a look at what they're using to work this. Are you a customer or subscriber with a question about your order? Curious about recharge? Integrations, pricing. So I'm on the recharge page. Let's go get recharge. Subscriptions, okay. Accept all. So there you go. Now you learn the actual program that they're using too. You could really use, I mean, you could just create a product in there too if you wanted, but I'm sure this one is a little bit more designed for that. I don't know what this costs, as I haven't seen this before, but let's look at the pricing of it. 99 bucks a month. And then 1.25 plus 19 cents per transaction. Dear God, why do companies do that? Like, if you're going to charge 99 a month, just charge 99 a month. Don't do this part. What? Why? Like, that's a huge turnoff for me. Anyway, let's go back to the store. Let's look at their ads. So let's go to Pure Muskoka. So it is Pure Muskoka. All right. So let's go to facebook.com/ads/library. And let's go to, in here, we're going to pick all. Then we're going to choose a category, which is all. Then we're going to type this, Pure Muskoka. There it is. And let's see their ads. 10 results, launched in June. So it looks like they're just running a Canada Day one. Do I have any filters going on here? Nope. And how long? Oh, here we go. There's some more. They're really hitting the Canada Day, which is good. Perfect embodiment of relaxed. May 8th. What's their longest one? May 2nd. Vibe with a touch of nostalgia, available in adults and kid sizes. You can see when you make your ads. Now, I don't know if just the preview here is off, but you want to make sure you crop it and provide the right sizes. Otherwise, it does look kind of weird. Because I don't want all the gray bars down the left and right side at all. Vintage hues. Cool. Yeah, that's neat. The reason this one caught my eye is because my daughters always wear these like Great Lakes hoodies. And I'm like, that's actually not a bad idea, because cities typically are not trademarked, and you can actually sell it. It's public domain. The same with Muskoka, I don't think is trademarked. I haven't really checked, but in this case, I don't think it is. This store too, one thing that I noticed is they're really, now who knows, I mean, maybe they're making a boatload of money here and I'm just blowing smoke out my butt, but there it is, there's one. Like the highway, that's the actual highway sign heading up to Muskoka's. What I don't see is anything like 705 is like the area code. You could do that too. You could literally open up a t-shirt shop and just do area codes on them, and people would buy them. It's crazy. Now, theme-wise, I mean, look at that, 705. What I don't see, and what I don't know why, is any like really funny ones, like bonfire. Okay, maybe there's something in decisions, maybe in here. 411 split collection. It's funny, I've seen that sign in real life too. I don't see anything like funny or anything that can possibly go viral. Boat launch, bonfire, deluxe, highway, portage. There's a highway. 69, yeah, that's a highway. Kings Highway 118, yep, 60. And all these highway signs too, they're fair game. They're public domain. And there's nothing that people like more than wearing, like, you know, local stuff from what's around them. Anyway, bonfire collection. Maybe there's something funny in here. Nope, it is pictures of a bonfire. So I like the store. There's a lot of things I would do differently. Like, these banners are gigantic. Maybe it does look different on a phone. I don't know. I haven't checked it yet on my phone. But I would just add some funny stuff in here. You could really go viral with some things if you... Now, maybe they're like, no, we don't want anything funny. We just want to do our style is not funny. It's more laid back vibe or whatever they're calling it. But I see a ton of potential in this that I don't think they're taking advantage of. So anyway, Pure Muskoka, that's the store. And it just came up on my feed. So I figured, you know what, let's shoot a quick little video and explore it a bit. And what we learned is setup wise, I'm not a fan of how the layout's set up. I think it's not really optimized for conversions. I think it's more optimized as somebody who possibly had a brick and mortar store, and then this is like their website, because it's not really designed for ads, in my opinion. The layout and the images are not really optimized for running ads to it. The other key factor is the designs themselves. They're great locally, but you're stuck locally with that. You're not going to be able to expand because you don't really have anything going beyond that. Maybe that's the point of niching down to that specific cottage area. And like I said, who knows? Maybe they're making millions and I'm just crazy, but I could see a lot of room for improvement in here. The subscription program too is very interesting and I love it, but I feel like if they're canceling it, it's because it's not working for them. And I almost feel like it's like this particular one I'm looking at on the screen, this campfire one, is that a stain? Did somebody spill their cheese and mustard when they're eating their hamburger? Like, to me, that's not doing it for me at all. So, I don't know. There's a lot of things that I would do differently, but I thought I'd just shoot a quick video to show you how you can examine these stores and try and find ones, like when they do come up on your feed, go look at them and see what do you like, what do you not like. And then you can get ideas too for apps that you could use or ideas that you could implement. The subscription model is very cool. But at this point too, I don't have one running in the t-shirt world, but I've been running subscription model in the other world, like the coaching world, for like 17 years. So I understand the value of it and I feel like it could work. It's just got to be implemented correctly. And it could be too that $100 a month plus the $1.25 plus the percentage on every transaction, like that's a big turnoff for me as a store owner. I don't like that. Like, charge me a monthly or charge me a transaction fee. Don't do both because you don't need to. Like, your software doesn't need to do that at all. And I feel like there's other solutions too for subscriptions on Shopify stores. No, I don't even know what store this is. Is this Shopify? I didn't even check that. So yeah, powered by Shopify. So it is a Shopify store. And by the way, you might want to remove that because all of the scammers and all those emails you get all the time when you open up a Shopify store, they actually scrape results on Google looking for powered by Shopify. That's how they find your email, and then they'll scrape your site to find the contact us page, and then they'll be sending you all those stupid emails like, oh, I like your store, but I have a couple ideas that could improve it. Like, you get 50 of those when you open up a new store now. It's insane. Anywho, let me know what you think. The design is what caught my eye, but I do see a lot of room for expansion here, like big time. And I think they've got to have, because I've seen the store quite a bit, they've got to have a really good email list right now that they could expand beyond what they're doing. And I almost feel like they're doing these, or they have a designer that they hired to do it, which is why their designs are so limited. If they got into even, AI and getting AI to make the designs for them, which is what I do, they could go really gangbusters with a lot of this stuff. So let me know your thoughts. Would you open a store like this dedicated to a specific area? Do you like the layout? Do you like the subscription model? What would you do differently? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day.